at the ocean. Actually putting our feet in the water this time. Let me tell you, it's cold. There's no way my whole body is getting in this. Woo! And Tom's looking for shells.
It's like a little crab.
Oh my gosh.
Molting.
Yeah. Woo! Oh my goodness, it's cold. So pretty. We're gonna see if I'm allergic to this water. See if I break out in hives.
Oh, there we go.
This cool boat over here, guys. We're gonna go check it out. Woo! Look at these pretty pups. Pretty pups. Huh. Oh my gosh. Look at this boat. It just was abandoned. In loving memory, is this the person?
No, this
I don't know.
Put on there beginning of January.
So is it newish then?
I don't know.
There's a Bible, 2 Bibles.
There's like a TV in there.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Huh. Is that
Interesting.
some kind of beans or canned food?
Yeah. It's like a little burner stove right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh. Very interesting. Lots of water bottles. Hmm.
This thing drifted far.
Yeah, it did.
It was registered in April. It expired in April of 23.
So it has not been here
Oh, like I said, that sticker,
very long. So you said
sticker was
January,
on
right?
there not even a month ago.
Huh.
There weren't any bad storms.
Oh, if you're missing your boat, here it is. Hey y'all. It's Sunday. We haven't vlogged at all today because we just kind of just hung out. We went shopping today and we went and got some pizza at this little pizza place. Then we went back to the ice cream place that we went to on our anniversary, got some ice cream. And now we just paid $4.50 to walk on this pier. I don't know why you have to pay to walk on the pier. I have never had to pay to walk on a pier before, but it's the experience, right?
Sure.
So, and I mean, it's not that bad, but there's like a ton of people down here. So we're staying way down there. Like, we are one of the last hotels down there. And there's nobody on the beach, but like a few people. There are tons of people on the beach here. Like, lots of people, tons of people in the water surfing. It's packed down here, which there's a lot more stuff going on down here, so it makes sense. But, and the water is like the roughest that it's been since we've been here. So many cool waves. Like, look at all those people.
The calmest day was the windiest day.
Yeah, which makes no sense. Look at all those people out there waiting for some waves. Oh my gosh, look at all these birds. Oh my. Oh my. You know my fear of birds.
Pigeons too. Pigeons are
Yes,
the worst.
they are the worst. Seriously? Oh my gosh.
And there they go.
It's really cool though. Look at that boat out there. Sailboating.
Yeah.
It's like the only one. don't
Yeah,
see any
there
other
really
boats.
haven't been a lot of
No.
boats.
This creeps me out. We made it to the end. I don't like it. Like, we're literally in the middle of the ocean right now. That cool boat over there.
Any ships. Nothing even ever likes.
Pretty cool though, guys. Huh? Yeah. It's pretty neat. This is all of Pensacola right here. Look at that sun setting, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. Oh, it's so beautiful. We are definitely going to be back here next time we're bringing our babies.